This is an Amber Child Abduction Alert. Please listen carefully. We need your help.
Famine fell upon the land.
Huh? Where am I?
Oh, dear brother. We are stranded in the middle of a deep, deep forest. Only a crust of bread.
You can have my half. It's stuffed.
It's not for eating, silly. It's for marking a trail so we can get back home. See? But some animal has been eating the crumbs and now we're lost.
An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. The Allen County Sheriff is investigating the abduction of 2 children from Fort Wayne, Indiana. Liliana Hernandez is a 7-year-old white female, 3 feet 4 inches tall with long brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a black nightgown. Renee Pastor is a 6-year-old white male, 3 feet tall, short brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing black shorts. The children were last seen at 6:21 a.m. in Fort Wayne and are believed to be in extreme danger. Fort Wayne is 125 miles north of Indianapolis. Allen County Sheriff believes the children were likely abducted by their non-custodial mother, Amber Pastor, a 29-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 250 pounds, with long blonde hair. Suspect vehicle is a Mercury Mystique, tan in color. If you have any information on these children, contact the Allen County Sheriff at 260-449-7661.
In your house. It's, very